In this video, I will show how to upgrade CentOS 7 to AlmaLinux 8 on a cPanel VPS. Here you can see the operating system is CentOS 7.9 and we have this warning. cPanel and WHF version 110 will be the last version that supports CentOS 7. cPanel is suggesting we upgrade CentOS 7 to AlmaLinux 8 because CentOS 7 reached end of life. CentOS 7 end of life. CentOS 7 has reached end of life on June 30, 2024. You can find the instruction to upgrade here. Click on this link. I have simplified instructions on my website. I will put this link in the video description. First, we need to run these two commands. Let's log into the server using SSH. SSH root@IP of the server. Enter the password. Now you need to run these commands. In the terminal, paste the commands and press enter. After that, we need to update the server. Yum update. The package upgrade failed. What we can do is upgrade part of the packages. Let's run yum update with the skip broken. Press Y to upgrade the packages. This will upgrade all packages that has no conflicts. After the upgrade is done, we can deal with the packages with the conflicts. The yum update has been completed. Let's reboot the server. The server may take few minutes to reboot. I will pause the video and resume once the server is back online. Let's connect back to the server using SSH. Since we had some errors during the yum upgrade, we will need to run the yum upgrade again. The yum update failure is caused by the package ea-apache24-mod_ls API. Since this is one of the way PHP can work on a cPanel server, we can remove this package without any complication. Yum remove ea-apache24-mod_ls API. Press Y to remove the package. Let's run yum update again. It will install the missing packages. Press Y to continue. Now all the yum packages has been upgraded. Let's confirm with yum update. Yum update. No packages found for update. Let's go back to the instruction. Next, we need to run the upcp command. It will upgrade the cPanel. /scripts/upcp. The next step is to reboot the server. Copy the command reboot. Run it on the terminal. Now go back to the WHM and refresh it to see if the server is back online. The server is back online. Next, we need to check for upgrade blockage. You need to run this command. Copy the command. Log into SSH. Enter the password. Paste the command and press enter to execute. We have some warning here. First one is the SSH configuration file does not explicitly state permit root login. We need to edit this file and set the permit login to yes. So let's do that. Nano part to the file, that is /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Now find the permit root login. Delete the comment and change the no to yes. Now to save the file, press Ctrl+X, Y, press enter. Let's verify the change is made. grep -i permit root, then path to the file. We have permit root login set to yes. And another warning is related to MySQL 5.7. This version is not available for AlmaLinux 8. You can manually upgrade your installation of MySQL using following command. We can also do this in WHM. Let us log into WHM. To upgrade the MySQL, search for MySQL. Click on MySQL MariaDB upgrade. We are now using MySQL 5.7. We can upgrade to the MySQL 8.0 or MariaDB 10.6. Both are very similar. I will upgrade to MariaDB 10.6. Select the MariaDB and continue. We have some warning here. The first one is MariaDB enables strict mode by default. We can disable this after the installation. Other options, I don't think these are critical. We can just click the checkboxes and click on continue. Select unattended upgrade. Click on continue. MySQL upgrade is completed. Now let's run the command again to see if any blockage exists. There is a warning, sibling with absolute path were found. These siblings are normal. We can ignore the warning and continue with the upgrade process. To do the upgrade, run this command. Paste the command in the terminal and press enter to run. Now the CentOS 7 is getting upgraded to AlmaLinux 8. This will take a while. The Elevate script is asking for confirmation to continue. The elevation process can take several long minutes and require multiple reboots. Some reboots can be longer than normal. Please do not interrupt the process. You can check at any time the current status of the upgrade by running /script/elevate-cPanel. On failure, after fixing them, you can continue the elevation process by running /script/elevate-cPanel-continue. It is highly recommended that you have a full backup or snapshot of the server before proceeding. We have already taken the backup, so I will press Y to continue with the upgrade. The server is rebooted. The upgrade process will automatically reboot the server few times. Let's wait few minutes and reconnect to the server. Let's try again. It is rebooted again. Let's ping to the server. We got the ping, so let's SSH in, enter the password. To see the status, run this command. We are on stage 3 of 5. It will reboot again soon, so let's wait for that. If you want to see the logs, you can run this command. Lot of packages are getting upgraded. The server is rebooted again. We have this warning here, rebooting for distro upgrade. This will take over 10 minutes to run. Do not interrupt power during this event or you will corrupt your system. The server is getting ping response. So let's log in back to the server. Let's check the status. We are on stage 4 of 5. Let's monitor the progress by running the command /script/elevate-cPanel-log. In this stage, cPanel will be doing the cPanel related package installation, restoring MariaDB 10.6. Soon MariaDB will be installed. This is one of the sites hosted on the server. Let us refresh. We have database connection error. Once this MariaDB is installed, this site should work fine. Look like MariaDB installation is completed. Let us see if the site is working. The website is working properly. The step 4 is completed and server is rebooting into stage 5 of 5. The server is back online. Log into the server. Running stage 5 of 5 and server rebooted again. Next time server will boot into the normal mode. Server is back online. Let's log in back to the server. To find the operating system, run the command cat/etc/start-release. The operating system is AlmaLinux 8.10. WHM also shows AlmaLinux 8.10 as the operating system. This is how you upgrade CentOS 7 into AlmaLinux 8 on a cPanel server. Thank you for watching. Hope you find the video useful. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this.